Okay, let's talk about A, D, and E and how to get around on our bass notes. So for your A shape, we're going to do, these are your bass notes, your 5th string, which is A, and your 6th string, which is E. So alternating A, E, A, E. That's pretty simple. And then just for a little flavor, you could just kind of put, that's an F sharp note, so you could just kind of throw that in sometimes, like just for an accent. I don't know, just a little something something. Now let's do some walking. We're going to walk from A to D. So like we would go A, D, A, E, A. Now we're going to move. We're going to do this, which is a B note. So A, B. Now we're going to big stretch. Oh, sucks, but you got to do it. Ring finger, C sharp. Now we're ready for D. So it sounds like, right? You're walking up the scale. So all together. Right? Let's do it again. A, A. Right? Then you can go back down. So that's just your scale. Again. 1, 2. Here we go. Up. Now down. Okay, now we're going to go to E, and it's going to sound like. I messed up a little bit, but again, I'm just using the notes on the scale, nothing fancy. So this is G sharp, bow, bow. That's your F sharp. Now we're E, and for your E bass notes, you can, that's your low fatty E, so that's always a good one. And then either the 2nd or the 5th or 4th string, either way. That's your 4th string. Let's hear the 5th. Just depends what you feel like and what you hit, what you pick. Or just hang out on the E. Now up. Now, probably fancy guitar people would tell you that you need to use your middle finger here on the 2nd fret and your pinky way over here on that 4th fret. I don't know. I'm not that fancy and my pinky's not that strong. So probably if it's me, it's not that tricky for me to jump and use my index finger right here. And go back here. So it doesn't really matter, just whatever works for you and that you can do somewhat, or you can work yourself up to doing, right? So let's do kind of the whole little sequence. We're gonna A, hanging out there, and we're walking D, A, D. That's the 4th string, 5th string, right? Let's walk. There we are. Now we're going to E. There as long as we need to, then we're walking back. Kind of sounds like this land is your land, right? Let's see.